We have been answering many of your vaccine-related questions, and this morning we're answering a big one. So if you get the vaccine, is it safe to go back to normal life, seeing friends, family, traveling? 10 Tampa Bay's Tweelon Wen went straight to the doctors.
We've seen a lot of people expecting the COVID-19 vaccine to act as a green light or a go-ahead to go back to life before COVID-19, but doctors say that's not really how this works.
There is no get-out-of-jail-free card, for sure, because the vaccine prevents, if it works, it reduces the likelihood that you're going to get very sick. It doesn't reduce the fact that you may still actually get the virus and maybe get a little sick. And in either event, you can still, if you get it, you can still pass it on.
So you've still got to socially distance yourself and wear a mask because you can still spread COVID-19 even if you're vaccinated. If you want to see people that have been vaccinated, maybe your parents or grandparents, it's not really safe until you've been vaccinated too.
If all of the people in your community that you're living with or that you're playing with, if all of them get the vaccine and they're inside that bubble, then everything inside that bubble is protected. But that bubble is the boundary of herd immunity.
When the vaccine is widely available and your friends and family are vaccinated, make sure you're waiting at least 2 weeks until after your second dose to safely get together.
And don't let down your guard just yet. You can do it. We've been doing it for a while, and we know we can keep on. The nation's top disease expert, Dr. Fauci, says we'll be approaching a degree of normality as we get closer to fall and winter. He also gives us a sharper insight as to why he believes that we will be wearing masks into 2022.
Depends on the level of dynamics of virus that's in the community, and that's really important. You see the level coming down really very low. I want it to keep going down to a baseline that's so low that there's virtually no threat, or not no, it'll never be zero, but a minimal threat that you will be exposed to someone who is infected. So if you combine getting most of the people in the country vaccinated with getting the level of virus in the community very low, then I believe you're going to be able to say, you know, for the most part, we don't necessarily have to wear masks.
And Dr. Fauci made it clear in the interview, this information is only good right now. He says there are many variants, so things can change. That projection could change in, say, 6 months.